Infiniti has introduced a completely new iteration of its large QX80 flagship SUV, featuring updated design elements influenced by the QX monograph concept vehicle. The new QX80 features a commanding design, characterized by a vertical front end, a sizable grille, and substantial wheels. The exterior lighting features contribute to the overall aesthetic appeal of the vehicle. These include two sleek daytime running lights at the front, designed with a unique block pattern, as well as a full-width light bar that connects the taillights across the liftgate. The previous year's naturally aspirated V8 has been replaced with a 450 horsepower twin-turbo V6 engine. The deluxe cabin is equipped with 3 rows of seats, all of which have a massage function accessible for both the first and second rows. The interior can also be equipped with a technology that utilizes an infrared sensor in the headliner to identify when a rear seat passenger is experiencing excessive warmth. It then automatically distributes cool air from the climate control system towards that passenger. Additionally, there is a 24-speaker stereo system that has been finely calibrated by the renowned audio manufacturer Klipsch. The new QX80 possesses a luxurious appearance and offers the necessary amenities to effectively rival other large SUVs. However, the accompanying enhancements from Infiniti come with a higher manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, which diminishes its competitive advantage in terms of pricing compared to vehicles like the Cadillac Escalade and the Mercedes-Benz GLS class. The powertrain of all QX80 models consists of a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, which generates an impressive 450 horsepower. The acceleration is rapid, and the engine's noise remains subdued even when the throttle is used heavily. The standard transmission is a 9-speed automatic, and the Pure and Luxe trims offer the option of rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The Sensory and Autograph models come with all-wheel drive as a standard feature. All trims, except for the base Pure trim, come equipped with an air spring suspension system. Although the air suspension effectively manages body movements when turning, it is evident that the QX80 is a substantial SUV with a truck foundation. While the QX80 provides a smooth and quiet ride during cruising, it may feel slightly uncomfortable when driving over uneven surfaces. The projected acceleration time for the 2025 QX80 is approximately 5.3 seconds to reach a speed of 60 miles per hour, which is impressive given the SUV's large dimensions. The QX80 is equipped with 3 rows of seats, all of which offer ample space and comfort. The inside materials of this vehicle surpass those seen in other Infiniti vehicles. The dashboard is designed with a striking aesthetic and incorporates a series of screens that function as both a gauge cluster and an infotainment touchscreen. Infiniti has a wide range of luxurious options, such as a massage function for both the front and rear seats. However, to access this feature, you will need to upgrade to either the Sensory or Autograph trims.